Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 5 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let me go back. And here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to find more security and privacy. And here scroll down until you'll find the option installation sources. Let's tap. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just find the app and then tap on this switcher. Tap on it and your device will ask you whether you want to do it, because be aware you're doing it on your own responsibility, as some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Just tap on allowed and now it is active. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.